Why did I join Delta? It is a family-oriented company. It's a family that has a great support system. So it started out taking things apart and my G.I. Joes. So I had this parachute G.I. Joe, and I would throw it up in the air and the parachute opens up. I'm like, man, I want to do that. I want to jump out of a plane. Then it was like, I want to be in aviation. I had to be about 13 at the time. I took a class in small engine mechanics. Loved it. Realized that's my niche. I can take things apart and put it back together. When I turned 18, I joined the military. You know, I knew when I first had my stick time in a helicopter, I realized I don't want to fly it. I just want to fix it. One of my friends passed out my resume at a job fair. Got a call that night, and you know, it was like, hey, we want you to come in and have an interview. So, been doing this now for 13 years. You know, it was one of those things. It was a career move for me. It was probably the last job I ever have. And when I looked at it that way, it's like, this is what I want to do. I look forward to the challenge. It's a new challenge every day. Sometimes it may be an engine problem. Sometimes it may be electrical. One thing I found that keeps me calm was going to work, flying my drones, keeping my hobbies going. I love it because I'm at peace. It just keeps my mind off everything else. And I love meeting new people. I love having conversations with people. My friend is a Vietnam vet. We drink coffee all the time, and I get a chance to talk military and everything else about life. Like with everybody, I've had losses, and I lost my son 2 years ago. To watch him die, to watch him take his last breath, I think that was the most devastating thing that ever happened to me. When I was going through all these things, you know, Delta was there. You know, I had calls from day one. Anything you need, anytime you need, we're here for you. And not just saying it, they showed it. As far as the work, it's a challenge. I love it. I love challenges. It keeps my mind off of everything in my personal life because I'm focusing on the problems at hand, whatever that might be. So when I say I got a great company to work for, I do. Because in order to fly, you need a support crew.